All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are last day of April 2025. Today we're going to be eating some chicken and pasta. Hopefully that's not falling off the plate. Anyways, chicken and pasta. And I'll also be talking a little bit about the market and how we're doing. And how now there's a real threat of recession now in the economy. Whereas before it was all headlines, now it's looking like it's going to be a real recession. So, my wife made some pasta with chicken. She didn't have the Alfredo sauce, so she couldn't make the Alfredo. Oh well. How are you guys doing today? Hopefully you guys are doing good. I'm doing all right. Just came home from work. Been so busy at work. Oh my God, it's been like damn near overwhelming at times. The amount of work I've been going through, man. But it's okay, man. I like what I do. I enjoy what I do for a living, so. This is really good. Really good. I'm also filming this video with my iPhone X Max, XS Max, I don't know what it is. I got the damn phone in 2019 and I've still used it. It's a good phone. It's been a good phone so far. I think it's coming to an end though. I think I might get the new phone here soon. Today there was well, let's look at the indexes. The S&P 500 today closed at 5,569. It's been almost 2 months since it hit its all-time high of 6,144 back in February. That's hot. So good though. Yeah, recently hit the all-time high in February. It's been down ever since. Donald Trump's threatened tariff war with all the countries and stuff. Reciprocal tariffs. We're gonna tariff you, you tariff us. Market didn't like that, so it dropped. Lately, he's kind of been taking back a lot of the threats. Some say it's part of the negotiation, right? We're starting here to end up here, right? Oh, that's good. Dow Jones, 40,669. NASDAQ, 17,446. Jesus, sorry guys. Gold, I think it's near the all-time highs right now. $3,286 per ounce. When there's a lot of fear about the economy, when people think the US dollar is not going to be the most dominant global currency, when people think the United States government can't pay their debt, which is the things that are occurring nowadays in 2025 as I'm filming this video, gold tends to go up. So that's what's causing gold to go up. And gold's been up the last few years, right? There's been things like high inflation, supply chain shortages caused by the COVID-19 pandemic and the government shutdowns. Russia and Ukraine been fighting each other. Israel and Hamas. 2025, looks like there's going to be a recession here in 2025. All causing gold to shoot up in price. Ooh, man, that's really good. Freaking Bitcoin at 94,300. They were having a down year ever since they hit their all-time high around the election. Sorry, I'm hitting the camera. I'm hitting the table a lot. So after the election in November, Donald Trump got elected. He was pro cryptocurrencies. Caused Bitcoin to shoot up to all-time highs. They shot up past 100,000. The exact figure is eluding me right now. But then they went down as kind of nothing really happened after that. But they're back up lately, 94,300. So we'll see where that goes. Is that a low point? Should you have gotten in while it was 94,300? Or did it end up being like a high point and good thing you stayed out of it because it's down lower right now, right? That's something that we'll see as time passes. Also with these indexes, right? The S&P 500 at 5569, like is that, did it go lower than that? And thank God you didn't get in? Or was this pretty much a good time to get in because it was kind of low? And right now it's sitting at 6,000 or 7,000, right? Got my new truck recently. Told you guys I would get a new truck. I wanted to get a new truck. Well, I ended up doing it. Expensive, man. New trucks are expensive in 2025. I did it before supposedly all the tariffs hit, so I like to think I got some kind of deal, but I can't say that did not influence my decision to get a new truck, was the coming tariffs. I certainly was thinking about that before I made the decision. Really good. I just realized I should have put like a microphone on myself. I got wearing braces and god damn. Anyways, what's next, man? What's next for the economy, for the stock market? Well, if this tariff war stuff keeps going on and countries start doing their own tariffs, prices keep going up, that could cause a recession. It could cause employers to cut back on manufacturing, cut back on hiring, in anticipation that prices are going to go up. So it'll become like a self-fulfilling prophecy where everyone's expecting the economy to go into recession. So maybe they stop hiring, maybe they stop spending. At the same time, that could slow down hiring, right? That could slow down the economy, but also what that can do is companies can sit on the cash that they have, expecting a recession to come. It doesn't occur, so now they have all this cash, that they can spend. So that kind of happened in 2023. Companies were expecting a recession, a hard landing, soft landing, whatever you want to call it. Didn't happen, and the market went up like 20% that year, another 20% in 2024. So I still think this year the market can go up double digits, but it all kind of depends on how companies are going to be reacting to this tariff stuff. But officially, I think this will still be a good year for the stock market. I think a lot of this tariff stuff will die down, deals will get made, and we'll come out the other side looking back on this saying, oh, it was just a temporary volatility thing. But then again, you can't predict, you just can't predict what Donald Trump's going to say or tweet or whatever. So there's that. Freaking dogs are going off in the back. So annoying dogs. That is good. So delicious, guys. But I think that's it. I just want to share an update to kind of see where things are at right now, in this day and age. We'll see what the future brings from here. Crossing my fingers. Hopefully it's going to be a good year, but we'll see. Annoying dogs, man.